Hi all, welcome to this course. In this course, you'll be actually going over end-to-end business scenarios. This is specifically to the general business scenarios that are followed in the manufacturing industry. And people who can attend these courses are people who already have SAP experience but do not know the end-to-end business processes or do not have absolutely domain experience. So we will cover all the different departments that are available in a manufacturing organization. What are the different kinds of manufacturing processes? How the departments are integrated or communicate. We'll also have an overview of SAP SD, PP, and FM modules. Once you understand these basics and understand how things work and integrated, you can the course will help you understand things better. Let's also look at the benefits of the course. This will help you in better understanding of the business process. You can demand more pay if you're looking for change of jobs. Since you are familiar with the business process, you get know how to answer the questions. You're clear about how things work in an industry. You can definitely demand for more pay than what you're getting, or ask them to do give a better pay than the market value. You can answer questions more confidently in the interviews. Answer like a professional to run business scenarios and the different processes that are being followed in the manufacturing industry. Understand use of SAP best practices, and also we'll go through what methodologies are used for SAP implementation. So this course will really help if you have an overview of any of the SAP modules and trying to move into the next level in your career to the mid level or improvise your existing level and have a good understanding of the business process. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, we'll answer them. Thank you. Bye.